Alright, Tyatthetop gang, so I'm back. I'm about to see what this Yeet app is supposedly monkey, you dig what I'm saying? I'm about to see what's to it, you dig what I'm saying? So we can get right to the video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We get right into it. AKA monkey, new Yeet. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to fake flirts. I know, I gotta make that clear. People be thinking other stuff, man. Make sure y'all smash that like button, man. 3, 2, 1.
Living like we in a race, I might come in first and second, but I won't ever be last.
Yes, sir. Y'all know what's to it, man. You know what I'm saying? Finna get right into it, man. I hope they don't give me no type of boys, because I ain't really trying to have no conversation. So let's go ahead and tap this button. Boop. I got it. I just downloaded the app, so that's why I did that. They got a skin on my face. They go, oh, that's cool. Okay, yeet. Let's go. Hype me up. Come on. Female. Oh, now they got it on both. Oh, she 19. Let go.
Hi.
Hey. Oh, why you being shy? Oh, why you gotta be shy?
He said, oh my God.
Hey, I'm on time, bro. Bro, she acting shy, bro. I was just, she acting too shy. Oh, no, I gotta put that on. I'm gonna put it, it's on both. So I got y'all right now. Put it on. Cause ain't no suspicious. I prefer females. Let's slide that back down. So let's see what they give me. Cause she be playing. Monkey used to be playing too. Dig what I'm saying? Okay. Bam, right there, she little.
How does nobody know what that means?
I don't know what that means. Okay, wait. Do it one more time for me. Hold on. That's what I'm talking about. You say what?
Black Lives Matter.
That's what I'm talking about. Hey, keep that energy. Yeah, okay. Okay, little white girl got a little, okay, they know what to do right now. No offense. They know what to do. Oh. Hey, can I ask you something real quick though?
At times.
Yeah. Watch that. So look.
I'm looking.
You are very attractive. I'm just say that, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, I'm just make that clear. Like, you will really make my day, right? If you just tell me your name. That's all.
It's Jessica.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're very welcome.
My goodness. Well, what you doing? Yeah, huh? I'm finna add you.
Okay.
Make sure you press that button. Oh my God. I love America. Well, you.
America.
Yes, I do. All right, Jessica. You enjoy the rest of your night, Jessica.
I will.
Okay. Ooh, I bet you will. Oh wait. I gotta ask you one more thing. Do you play sports?
Yeah.
It look like it, cause your thighs are just like.
It's just because I'm sitting down. They're not that big. Like when I stand up, they ain't that big.
Yeah. Nah. Okay. I see. My fault. Got my head falling off. But Jessica, you enjoy the rest of your night, though. You just made my day by telling me your name. You know what I'm saying?
Thank you. You are the nicest person I've seen out here already.
Oh, say it again.
You're the nicest person I've seen on here already.
Where you from, Jessica?
I'm from Tennessee.
Jessica, let me just make a quick joke. You probably already heard this. All right. I'm just asking this. Are you from Tennessee? Because you only Tennessee. I know. Look. I know that was corny, but I just had to say it.
Wait, I got a corny one. Are you from Japan?
Yeah, I'm from Japan.
Because I'm trying to get in Japanese.
That's cold. I never heard that. Oh, wait. Say it one more time.
Are you from Japan?
No, I'm not. Oh, yes, I am. Matter of fact.
Because I'm trying to get in Japanese.
I'm trying to get in Japan tea. That's cold. Yeah, hold on. You got to give me another one. I know you got another one.
Alright, hold on, let me think. I got a really cheesy one.
Okay, go ahead, hit me with it.
She said, did it hurt when you fell from the vending machine? Cause you a snack.
You on fire right now. Jessica, you is on fire. Jessica, you on 10 right now. You valid for that. Okay, check mark. Ding, 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 ding. I want you to shout yourself out right now. For real. Like.
I'm Jessica.
Mm-hmm.
Bye-bye.
That's everything. Her name is Jessica. Okay. Wait, tell me what sport you play again.
I play volleyball, track, cross country, cheer, gymnastics. I do, yeah.
Which one your most favorite one?
Huh?
Which one your most favorite one?
Volleyball. I do volleyball.
Volleyball. You be spiking, you be in that bit. Ah! Okay, I see you though. I used to. I got a little. Probably got a little something in the trunk. Hey, don't tempt me. Don't. Watch yourself. but alright, Jessica, I'm gonna text it to you though. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna fuck with you. Alright. Bro, she funny. She was lit. I know I just took a long time on her, but let's go. Jessica got me sweating because she was just hot. Hot. No, I just told you, no, I got it. They put it back on both, see? You gotta prefer females, guys. I'm telling y'all, bro, they gonna get y'all all dudes. So I said she told me from Oakland. Turn me up. Oh, turn me up. Oh. Bounce that one. Bounce that bit. Hey, bounce that bit. Hey, bounce that bit. Hey. Shorty lit. That was unexpected, bro. Hey, I'm throwing that clip in there. Cheeto. Oh, it's two females. Let's go. Tighten me up. Oh, a little bit. Oh. Oh, what happened a little bit? Little bit, what happened? Little bit, what happened? Oh, let me ask y'all real quick. Little bit, what happened? What happened? What happened, little bit? Tell me what happened, little bit. Huh? About what? Come on, y'all want to be on my YouTube channel? Come on, say cheese. I got you. Hold on, wait. Hold on, alright. I got you right there. It ain't clicking. Fuck. It don't want to do it. I don't know. Oh, there you go. Okay, I got you. I'm fake. Me? Me, little bit. Y'all want to know my channel? Oh, okay. I'll tell y'all my channel. Look. Get y'all phone now. Go to YouTube. Go to YouTube real quick. That's what I'm saying. It's not going to hang up. I don't know if it's going to hang up or not. You know what? Yeah, look. I'm going to spell it. I'm going to spell it out for you. All right, a little bit. H-E-A-T. I should have popped up by now. You don't need to type my whole name in. No cap. I didn't even go kind of flex like that, but alright. Little bit, what happened? Yeah, that's me right there. I look sexy, I know. But yeah. Hey. Look. This is what I want y'all to do. Don't subscribe until y'all watch the video that y'all laugh at, alright? That's what I tell everybody, okay? All my videos funny as hell, so y'all go laugh a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Alright. They be lit. They be turned up. They have me sweating. This. Come on, man. I need a female to come on it, boy. Cheeto 22 next. Here's a dude. Come on now. I'm not doing no dudes in this video, bro. I told you I'm all about action right now. On Cheeto. She scared me. You scared me. Alright, back it up. Come on. I better not see you again. Mining Kingdom. Let's see what she working with. Again? Look, I'm gonna skip, Mr. Skip. Alright, look, what y'all want me to ask them? Watch this. I'm finna be like on scale 1 to 10, how good I look. Watch this, real fast. I'm just playing on this app, bro. I ain't really got no purpose. I'm bored. You know what I'm saying? You know, I'm on YouTube, you know. Oh. I love America. God damn, but hold on. You got more time for me real quick? Hold on. You got more time for me real quick? Yeah, she did. So look. How you doing today? Alright, look. You doing great? Y'all do. I love that energy. Oh my god. Look, can I ask you something real quick though?
Yeah.
Be real honest with me. Don't sugarcoat nothing at all. Like it ain't gonna hurt my feelings. Look. Can you rate me on scale 1 to 10 real quick? Just real quick. Just throw out a number. All right.
Look at the camera. I give you 8.5.
8.5. Okay. 8.5. All right. Look. Huh? Are you finna rate me now? Hold on, wait. I give my good side. Hold on.
A 9.
Oh shit. Alright, but look. One more question. If you had to choose, would you kill or marry me? Like, yeah, you ain't got sugarcoat. Just tell me. Let me add more time real quick for.
I would marry you.
Who said that? You?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, that's one.
She said she would marry you too.
Me, man, child. Ooh. Oh, Cheetah. She said, is it for you too? You know it is, boo. What it do, boo? I'm finna ask him, would you smash me off? No cap. Right off back. Ooh. The light. Hold on. Wait, what? Dang, she just in the car? She must be ugly as a heart. Ugly. Oh, okay, I ain't gonna scare. I want you anyway, little big girl. What? Excuse me. I can't even pronounce that. Latonia. Oh, God. Oh. Cause you killing shit right now. Oh my God, like I ain't in your cap. You was killing shit right now. Hold on, add more time for me real quick. You gotta add more time for me real quick. Cause how you doing today? Like how you doing? Like
I'm good.
Come on, wait. Do this for me real quick. Period. Like cause you. No cap. What's your name?
Kamaria.
Laurie, you stunned on the bed. Let the bitch know. You know what I'm saying? Let the bitch know.
You funny.
Hey, but no. I gotta ask you something. Look, like no cap. Like this serious question. Like, would you like if you had the choice, would you kill me or would you smash me?
Smash.
Come on, come smash me, Kamaria. Huh?
You a good hype man.
I'm a good hype man. You think I'll be good in the room?
Yeah.
Oh, Cheeto! She lit. Okay. What? You say you smashed me, no doubt, huh? Hey, she said she smashed me. Oh, Cheeto, we lit. Okay, let's go. Let's ask her from Denver. Whoa.
Look at him, Jesse.
Why you gotta have from the camera though? You can't say look at him and you not in the camera. Add more time for me. Oh my God, see? How is you gonna say look at him when you had? I hate. Don't be shy, little baby. Quick to press that look. What? See? Yee, don't you start with me. Yo, don't you start with. There she go. Oh, hype me up. Hey, hype me up. Hey, hype me up. Hold on, wait a minute. You gotta add more time for me real quick. Cause what is your name? Like,
My name is Shantae.
Hold on, say that one more time for me. You say Shantae? Are you lit? Are you lit? What you was doing? Making the video, TikTok? Are you live?
No, I'm just chilling,
Oh, so you just happy to click on you just hold on what that was it look like it to me. Alright. Oh, my name Tyrese, little baby.
Why you keep on the phone like that?
Hold what phone like what? Like this?
Yeah.
Are you wanna know what I'm doing?
You filming a YouTube video?
Yeah, I'm filming a YouTube video.
I'm gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah, you gotta add more time. Ah, she just, oh my God, she just got so happy. I'm gonna be on YouTube. Yes, she is. Shantae just look good though, cap. Next, man, yee. Hey, yee. On my mama, yee. Don't you give me another boy. Don't you give me another nigga, man. All right, come on. That's what I'm talking about. Lick your lips one more time. What you just do? Yeah, I caught you. All right, it's too late. Nah, I caught you. I did it. On Cheeto, I caught you. Hold on. Add more time, though. On Cheeto, I caught her trying to lick the ass off her shit. Cheeto. Alright, girl. Okay, let me interrupt that conversation. Wait. Flick your shit one more time for me. And what y'all listening to on TV? Hold on. Put me on. What's up? Huh? What happened? Yeah, I'm a YouTuber, bro.
What's your YouTube?
Oh, shit, yo. Oh, wait. Let me start. Y'all want to know why y'all gonna type it in real quick? Alright, it's Yessurrr got the heat. I'm gonna spell it out for you. I'm gonna spell it out for y'all. It's RESE EGOTDA. Yeah, that's me right there. Yeah, you gotta type all my shit in. Oh, Cheeto. Hold on. Y'all trying to get in there copyrighted. Let me cover my mic. Hold on. So add more time real quick. Nah, man. Huh? What happened? Hey, can I ask y'all something real quick, though? Alright, look, I need y'all to rate me real quick on a scale of 1 to 10, real quick. Like, real quick. Like, be honest. Don't sugarcoat nothing. Don't sugar. Okay, I ain't even gonna cap with you, bruh. If you 12 years or under, put your phone down, cut the volume down, because this is not for you, okay? I'm just letting you know. Hey, parents, if you're seeing this, I told them to leave. But alright. Get right back to the video. Cold nut.
You a solid 8.
Huh?
Is that okay? You an 8.
I'm an 8. I'm cool. I want your answer. I'm top.
You a 10 because you might know what you do.
Huh? Yeah, I'm filming right now. Little baby, I'm filming right now. on Cheeto. Alright, come on. You said an 8. What you say? You said I'm a 10 because I'm your what? Oh, you trying to flirt? Okay, I see. Okay. Alright, look. I got one more question. Look, if y'all had to kill or marry me, what y'all doing?
Wait, what?
If y'all had to kill or marry me or smash me, which one y'all doing? Like,
I ain't gonna kill somebody, so I'm gonna marry. I'm gonna
you go, huh? What you say? She said she gonna smash my face. That what you just said? Hold on, wait. I'm finna add y'all real quick. Y'all lit right now. Hold on, wait a minute. All right, hold on. That's me right now. You say you gonna smash my face, though? Y'all funny. Who said that, bro? Yeah, I'm filming right now. You say you gonna smash my face? Oh, Cheeto, yo! Lit his hair. Hold on. Wait a minute. Hold on. Alright. They said they go. I ain't trying to mess my face up. I know y'all see me sweating, bro. Them girls just said they go mess my face up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, she 19. Let's see what she working with. She go get the. Oh, so she thought we were gonna pop up. Okay. Oh, you wanna go get Tyatthetop? It's cool though. Oh, she 21. Let's see how she rock it. Ooh. Oh, what up? Oh, you sound chill as hell. What you want
Can you rate my titties?
Huh?
Can you rate my titties?
I can't even see them. What do people be asking on here? Like, why is that even a topic? Why you just calling me and messed up my stuff? No. Like I told y'all, put it on girls, man. Just messed up my stuff, bruh. Alright, I'm in that right now, bruh.